May the 4th be with you. Hey folks, May is Home Improvement Month. That means it is time for us to give our homes a little TLC. So today I have 4 very super simple DIY hacks that everybody needs to learn. So these are quick, they're simple. Stick around. Make sure you subscribe, because what I do here at HIPChicks is bring you simple tips that will save you money, stress, and time. So the number 1 tip that I want you to try at your house is the next time you are doing a caulking project is to make sure that you save that extra caulk and don't have to throw it out because you didn't close the top properly. My go-to is an electrical cap. The inside of a cap has metal threads, and those threads will grip the end of the plastic nozzle so that you'll get a nice closed tube. Grab a larger cap that will fit over the end here, put it on, and just give it a little twist. And it's super snug and it's airtight. Now that tube of caulk will last longer, and be sure that you store it in a warm climate, not in a cold garage. Tip number 2 is about plunging protection. Nothing is worse than having to plunge a toilet, but if you have to plunge a full bowl and you have to worry about it splashing over, that's even more gross. Take a trash bag, cut a slit down the side, toss it over the top of your toilet, and poke a hole for your plunger pole. And now you can plunge and contain the mess so that you don't have any splatters on the walls. This next hack is for anybody that has some spackle and wall repair work to do. I have been teaching this to my students for years. If you have a small area that you need to work on, get a piece of cardstock, even an envelope, but something that's a little sturdy. Fold it long ways, use some paper tape, tape it to the wall, and now when you sand an area, everything falls into your little paper tray, and now you can throw out your sanding shelf when you are done, peel it off, and toss it. Less mess getting on the baseboards and the edge of the carpet. This last tip will have you feeling very powerful because you won't run out of power. If you are using 2 extension cords and you're doing that work, you don't want to feel like Doc Brown in Back to the Future at the top of the clock tower where the cords don't meet when they get pulled apart. So take your cords, crisscross them, make a little bow, and then plug them into one another. Now, if you tug on one end, you will not disconnect and lose power. These are the kinds of things that I want to bring to you. Simple, doable DIY tasks that will save you money, stress, and time. So make sure you subscribe, and more importantly, hop on over to our newsletter and sign up for my monthly newsletter so that you can learn even more and we dig a little bit deeper. And that's where I tell you about the new classes and courses, whether they are live and online. So may the 4th be with you, and hope you have a wonderful home improvement month.